Welcome to Miami. Now today we will explore. And maybe swim. That's our pool down there.
All the way down.
Dawn to dusk, it says. So you need your key card to get in, that's good. Loads of sun lounges.
Towels outside.
So you got decking area. And then you come through a bit of a gate.
That's nice water for us.
Sun lounges.
That's nice water. Can I stick my foot in it? No.
And then this is your swim pool, which we're coming tonight at the Hilton Hotel. So it's 8 foot at the deep end. $5 foot at the rope, and 3 foot shallow. This is your view from the rooftop. You got your Hilton Hotel. Some day beds. Oh, they're nice. Yeah. You got a bar, towels. Towels are on the sunbeds as well.
Stand on that first step while I put these tickets.
What's the temperature like?
It's actually nice. It's nice in this weather, so it's cold. Because it's nice.
It's nice, is it?
Oh, look.
Oh, there's a little bee. Someone to swim. Just organising the bus for the tour around Miami.
I just want to get it.
We just want to go swimming. Won't be long. Good view though.
Watch this, come here.
Hold on. That's our hotel. Do not remove the towels. I'm going inside. It says dawn to dusk, but we did ask and they said 8 till 8. So I guess it's a yearly thing. Would you like a hand? Put me in my bag. I don't want them. You okay? You like a hand. You like my hand. There you go, princess. Nice outfit, bro. Reckon our room's up there?
Our room's at the very top.
What floor were we on, do you remember?
6.
16? What?
We're at the top.
That is high, isn't it?
I can see our room.
You can see our room.
The next morning.
I'm up, pointing up. If it is, you've got my burly chest. I just like the clouds. Look at those clouds. They're so cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
What's up, Miami? Welcome to Miami. Where are we?
At the pool.
At the pool. Oh yeah, you're right.
We're like the only ones out here.
We are the only ones out here.
Who are going to swim. We are the only ones which are going to swim.
So, do you think it's going to be cold?
No, I put my foot in it. It's not cold.
Okay.
Come on, Dad.
Go this way. It's a bit chilly. Coming, Lil? Is it cold?
No.
Why are you making noises then?
It's fun.
Oh! Woo! Ah! That is cold.
Come on in.
That is freezing.
Come on in.
Woo! Ah!
You've got a hold.
Tell Lil it's lovely and warm.
Lily, it's lovely and warm. It's nice and warm though. Me and Lily aren't bothered of cold.
You're not bothered.
I know.
Cold?
No. No. It's not cold at all.
You don't think it's cold?
No.
Not yet, not yet. I've got to do the dome. I've got to do...
Let him do the dome.
You honestly deserve it.
I don't deserve it.
Yes.
Get lower if you think it's cold enough. Get lower.
I can't get that low.
Lower.
I can't get that low because I'm only
You can
tiny.
go lower.
I could go to that step and that step. I just don't want to go all the way in because I don't want to drown.
You won't drown. You can go on the...
Just make it warm.
Okay, we're going to chuck you in the dome and we're going to see how the water fares up. So see you in a bit.
You're going on.
We'll see you in the dome.
Go in.
This is the dome. We'll see you inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're in the dome. everybody. We've been in here like nearly 2 hours.
No, that's too
Yeah.
full. Ready?
We've got about 10 minutes left, so I thought I'd do a bit on the GoPro about the dome. But that dome was good fun.
Ready? It was only meant to
I don't think you could hear anything when it's in the dome, so it would have been a video montage. So now we'll do a little bit with just the normal GoPro.
Ready? Front full.
Oh, that looks like a
I'm gonna do that.
grow cloud.
Do like a flip. Like that, though.
We might get rained out anyway.
Yeah, just go all the way backwards.
Spinning around. Spinning around. Going on.
I think that was the music. Yeah.
Don't you twice.
Dunk him! Make the place dunk for me.
The legs. One more.
Watch that.
There's a lot of bubbles, isn't there?
I'll tell you. I don't have bubbles on my face.
Yeah.
Oh. So you get this, so you tip this upside down.
Yeah.
You just circle it
Right.
around the top and
Yeah.
just squeeze and roll. And then a walk. Hold on. You go here. Ooh.
Yeah.
And you go. Stuff like that. Give me a.
You're right into the camera.
Oh my gosh, look at the bubble ones.
That's pretty cool.
I can do some push-ups.
There's always that one kid that has to push everything to the limit. Is that kid you?
Yeah.
Go to the ladder.
No.
Swim, 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 swim. Well done.
I miss you.
What did you say? You missed me.
What's it?
You missed the swimming pool.
We don't have that many places to swim, Dad.
Not that's outside or sunny, no, you're right. You good?
No.
Wait. Lacey Louise. Go get a towel. Go get a towel. Go get a towel.
No.
Come on.
No. 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 No.
2 hours later.
One day.
Nope. When I'm 7 years old. When we get back, we're going to our second. Thank you very much. Ow! Daddy! No!
Coon you in all the towels, you can't run away.
No!
There's one more.
No!
Yes, Lacey.
No! I'm free!
You're not free. You gotta be dry.
Stop it! Stop it!
Ready to go? One more blow on the bubbles.
We need to run these out.
Woo. Nice look at the that's good bubbles. So important. Towels to your left. There's a restroom. And there is a shower just round the corner by the palm tree. So you can have a shower after. So you ready to go? We've got everything we need. Head back to the room. Come on then. We're running out. That's cool.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.